So this video is going to be a little shorter than the average ones. Sorry, just kind of a little busy. We'll make another one soon. But this is our 84 Civic hatch. Sometimes these guys call these the Wago vans. You're looking at what I believe is what's left of the original paint, which obviously used to be red with silver on the bottom. No rust, no rot. It's a nice solid Arizona car like all of our stuff. It did acquire, you know, like surface rust right there, but really minor. And the reason this is also going to be kind of a short video is I left the keys in my shop. I can't open it right now, but go around it. I can lift the hood at least. It just can't really show you the interior at the moment. What's cool about the interior is, see the hatch is open. Nah. Really rust free inside, obviously. But the seats were redone. You see pictures in the auction. Front and back seats were all just redone. And it looks pretty good. A lot of surface rust going on right there. But if you're looking for a really solid Civic, little Wago van type vehicle, I know they had another one that was longer, that's more of a Wago van, but yeah, you get the hint. You get the idea. What's great about this car is the guy just sunk about $5 grand in having the whole motor rebuilt, AC fixed, all kinds of stuff. And then he brought it home about 5 miles and parked it. From there, he drove it like maybe around the block once a month for a couple years, until one day he said it wouldn't start. So I figured the fuel pump probably went out. It's fuel pump right there. And I actually might try to throw one on here and see if it'll run, because they're not that expensive and it's worth doing. But I did pour gas down the carburetor after I cleaned up all the cylinders, make sure they were all lubed and everything. And I'm sitting. Oh, I do have the air cleaner too. But I poured gas down the car, threw a battery in it, fired right up, sat there and idled. So I did check the fuel pump. It was not working. It wasn't pumping. So again, I'm going to try to throw that in there. Maybe see what's in the tank. Tank's probably going to be cleaned out too, but we'll see. And carburetor might need a little bit of work too from sitting. I don't know. But basically, you have a brand new engine. And like I said, the AC has gone through. I got all the receipts for everything. And they will be pictured in the auction. I think he spent about $800 on the interior. It does have a crack in the windshield. And then he spent, the ticket at the repair shop was almost $5 grand. Parts and labor for them to redo the engine. So the engine doesn't even have more than 100 miles on it. There's no way. But that's our little beast. Try to look under it real quick. See if this will adjust for the light. I got lots of pictures of underneath this thing. I mean, there's no rust, trust me. Check out our feedback. I remember those back in the day. The dealer put those stickers on. Got a cracked mirror. And who doesn't like Rob Zombie? I have no idea what that is. Oh, sorry. That was Japanese. See, it was this little Japanese car. Anyway, this is our little Civic. Tires are brand new, but a couple years old because they've been sitting. I'd still drive on them. In town anyway, I would. I wouldn't care. Be fine. Maybe I'll do another video of it with the interior also. But I appreciate you watching. And keep an eye out for our next vehicle. Should be fun, should be interesting. They always are. Thanks.